Okay, so first we are logged into our machine right now, and we're gonna check on the TeamD software. So mod probe team. It's not running, didn't show me anything. I am certain that it is installed on my machine, but the command to install it is yum space -y if you don't want to be asked about it and you just want to go ahead and install it. Then install TeamD, and most probably it's going to come back and say I already have it installed and I don't need to do anything. Yeah, so it is installed, but in your case, if it's not installed, it's going to install it. I'm going to look at my IP addresses. I have ENP0S3 and I have ENP0S8, ENP0S9. So I have three interfaces, and then the two virtual and one loopback. And then we're going to go to /etc/sysconfig, then network scripts. Sorry, actually in this case we're going to go to network tools. So next we're going to go to we're going to actually go to network tools or network scripts, and then in here I'm going to create a file called team0. Okay, so vim team0. In this team0 file, I'm going to create some lines here. Boot protocol equals static, then team underscore config equals, and then you start off with a comma, then curly bracket, and then runner, end of quotes, colon, curly bracket, name, end of quotes, colon, end of quotes, or beginning of quotes, active. This is going to be my TeamD runner. Backup, active, backup, end of quote, end of curly bracket, comma. Sorry, it is kind of confusing, but this is how it's supposed to be. Link watch, curly bracket, name, end of quotes, ETH tool, end of quotes, end of curly bracket. Okay, and then the next one is going to be IP address, which is going to be 192.168.122.120, and netmask equals 255.255.255.0, then gateway equals 192.168.122.1, then name equals team0, then device equals team0, then on boot equals yes, then device type equals team, then prefix equals 24. Okay, now we are done with our file here that we just created. Let me just take a look at it, make sure that I don't have any typo in here. Okay, I'll go ahead and save and exit. Okay, now I'm going to create files for the two other interfaces. So first one is going to be vim ifcfg-enp0s3, and I'm going to call this one team master equals team 0. Next one is going to be team port config equals comma curly bracket codes PRIO codes colon 99 curly bracket n. Okay, the third one is going to be device type equals team port, and name we already have is ENP0S3, and hardware address we already have, device we already have, and on boot is already yes. Now I'm going to comment this one out because I don't want it to be DHCP, and that's about it that I'm going to change in this file. Okay, then we're going to go to the next one, which is 8, and we're going to do similar thing here. Team master equals team 0, team port underscore config equals sorry, this one is going to be 100. We're going to change the priority on this one, and end of quotes. Device type equals team port, the name is already there, and the rest we're going to keep it like that. And let me change this, just comment it out. Okay, and I'm going to save this one also.